Welcome to the live training for customers. If you are on live call, use the chat box to chat with me or ask me any questions if you have. And if you are watching this video, a recorded version on YouTube or any other channel, please know that this is a paid course for paying customers, but you are getting it for free. So we really deserve a like and a share, because from this video you will learn, just like our customers, how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we will show you customer that will pay you money. Ready for this? All right, awesome. Hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button before we begin. And when it is done, let's go and make some money. Look at this screenshot, $91,038. Wow, so exciting, right? But that's not the most exciting part. The most exciting part is these hops. These hops are the clicks on our affiliate links by real customers. They clicked our links because they loved our content, just like this video. But unlike this video, in our other channels, we use our artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic allows us to make videos using image, links, and texts. Epic writes scripts for us using artificial intelligence. Just go to the text section, click the text generator, put any text here. Epic will rewrite you using artificial intelligence or Spinner. Use any of these buttons, by the way. Then take that text and go to the audio section, click the add button under text to audio section, put your script here, click this button, and your natural sounding voiceover is ready. And Epic allows you to make bite-sized videos from 1 second to 10 minutes long. Save your campaign, go back to other work, come back when you're free, add some more sections if you want using this button. And once you're happy with this video, your video is completely ready, go ahead, click this render button, and the video will be ready in the background. Then you can download it and upload it anywhere you want and attract customers. Now your second question is, where are the customers? By the way, Epic is free for you. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Before I show you customers, I want to warn you about one thing. Don't fall for shortcuts and don't fall for shiny objects like these videos and their advice for you. This particular video is showing you how to use this website called Paydera. Now I have no complaint about this website, and I don't know whether they work or not and whether they pay you or not. But I can tell you one thing. This website will ask you to do hundreds of stuff like attending surveys, watching videos, listening to audios, clicking other people's links or ads. You spend hours and hours and make a few pennies. And even if you refer other people, they will make so less money that you will never be able to make a lot of money, or at least make a living. Never ever using this system. So basically, they made a system where hundreds of people, if not thousands of people, if not millions of people, go there, do some click, waste their time doing those things and make a few pennies. While what I am about to show you is totally the opposite. It's where you spend 3 to 5 minutes of your times, make useful videos for customers, for the people who have credit cards and they are ready to spend money on your advice. Those hundreds of thousands of people will click your links and you will make passive affiliate commissions just like us. And for that, Epic will help you make videos without using camera and microphone. So Epic is free. Go grab Epic and start following the instruction I'm about to share with you. If you go to YouTube and search for time management tip, then you'll find hundreds of thousands of videos, and you'll see 156,000 people every single month search for this keyword on YouTube. So they want time management tips. Mr. Ali Abdal made a video and got 2.5 million views. Somebody else made another video, made 1.6 million views. Now the information they shared is nothing unique. It's already out there on other YouTube videos and other websites. You can find them all using Google. Take those information and make simple videos that people are watching. Now, time management softwares are not free. The people who look for time management, they are busy people and they have money. So when you show them good information using your videos, and then tell them, hey, there is a link in the description. Click that link to grab that particular software to get your time management problem solved. They will click your links and they will buy from you. Why? Because using your videos, you already built the rapport and trust with them. Now, did you get the point? Don't waste your valuable time, money, and energy on shortcuts and shiny objects. Instead, go grab Epic from the link in the description. That detailed training is in the members area. Make useful videos and attract all these buyers. Promote helpful product or softwares as an affiliate in your description, and ask your visitors to click your links in the description, in the first comment, and in the bios. They will click, buy, and you will make passive affiliate commissions. That's it. Epic takes just a few minutes of your time to make a video, a helpful video. Go grab Epic from the link in the description. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, so everybody else learns how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. And have a clear intention to help others. Make simple videos, publish them on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media channels, and attract customers to your affiliate links, to your mailing list, and make money online. Super simple. So subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.